rainy seasons are over and your exhaust headers should probably look like this. Nothing worse than a clean, gorgeous bike with a rusted exhaust headers. Yes, I know there are a few products or services out there that could restore back your exhaust headers looking brand new. But what if I tell you the secret into getting a shinier exhaust costs $5 under 10 minutes? No, I'm not talking about using Autosol, combine it with Mr. Miyagi wax on, wax off method. Instead, you can use get on RP and order yourself a Harpic Power Plus toilet cleaner. Hey bro, we talking about bike lah, not toilet lah.
Wait,
let me explain. Channel or different channel? I'm still on the same channel. Okay, most of our exhaust pipe are made out of stainless steel. So using Harpic Power Plus, aka Magic Sauce, which contains hydrochloric acid, when you apply it onto the headers, will create a chemical reaction and hence easier to remove. Did I explain that properly?
I think so. Yeah.
Man, whatever, okay, just use it.
Okay.
All you need is a pail of water, the sauce, plastic bowl, in this case a Tupperware lid, abrasive sponge, rubber gloves, cloth, and a toothbrush. Just for your info, this shine will probably last you about a year or maybe more. Doesn't work on chromes though. As you can see today, I have a different bike to demonstrate on because I already did on mine before this whole YouTube channel thing, probably about 6 months ago. This is my old bike which I sold it off to a buddy of mine, and the last time I sourced the headers was probably about 1 year plus to 2 years, and by the looks of it, it's actually not that bad. Let's not talk so much and let's go. Okay, before we start, remove whatever parts that is blocking the work area. If you drop some of the sauce onto any plastic parts or parts that which is not intended to be shine, quickly grab a cloth and wipe it off because this reacts fast. Gloves on. Pour the special sauce onto a bowl. Use a toothbrush and apply the sauce thoroughly on the headers and leave it for about 2 minutes. And then use the abrasive sponge and just work it, and then rinse. Lastly, QC check if it's up to your standards. If not, repeat the first step. Tell me that's not some impressive shit right there. Good luck guys, and stop tiring yourself with a shoulder workout by using Autosol. Anyways, right here.